Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're uncovering the incredible health benefits of a plant-based diet that you simply can't miss. Switching to a plant-based diet will transform your health and energy levels like you've never imagined. Did you know that making this switch can drastically improve your overall health and wellness? Let's dive in and see why this lifestyle is becoming the go-to choice for so many people. First, let's talk about why plant-based diets are trending in the health community. More and more people are discovering how plant-based foods can enhance their health in profound ways. Focusing on foods derived from plants, including vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, oils, whole grains, and legumes, is key. Before we explore all the benefits, let's discuss some health risks linked to diets high in animal products. Studies show that issues like high cholesterol, increased cancer risks, and other serious health problems often come from consuming too much meat and dairy. These risks make it crucial to consider dietary choices that promote better health. Now, let's focus on the positive. Switching to a plant-based diet offers numerous health benefits. Improved digestion, thanks to high fiber content, better weight management, and boosted energy levels are just a few. Plant-based diets tend to be lower in calories and higher in essential nutrients. The advantages are endless. Here's something that will really grab your attention. Studies show that people who switch to a plant-based diet experience remarkable health improvements. Many report lower blood pressure, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and even reversal of some health conditions. Such a dietary change can lead to significant health benefits. Now, here's the pivotal moment. Imagine having access to all the tips and resources you need to make this transition smoothly. In the description below, you'll find a link to our exclusive plant-based recipe book. This book is packed with delicious, easy-to-make recipes that will help you embrace a plant-based lifestyle and enjoy its incredible benefits. To sum it up, incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet is a powerful way to nourish your body and support long-term health. It's not just about eating more vegetables. It's about giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. I encourage you to start adding more plant-based meals to your diet and see the benefits for yourself. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to better health. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your copy of our plant-based recipe book. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest asset. See you in the next video.